In this video, I want to show you how to add or change base map in ArcGIS Pro. By default, when you launch ArcGIS Pro, it comes with this base map, which is World Topographic Map and the World Hillshade Map. So if you want to change it to another base map, it's quite simple. So to do that, come under Map, then come to this icon, which is Base Map, to choose a base map for your map. And this base map is the reference data that display under the notes and other GIS data that you have added to the map. So to do that, click on this drop down to load all available base map in ArcGIS Pro. And also make sure that you are connected to the internet. And here you can see available base map. You have Imagery, Imagery Hybrid, you have the OpenStreetMap, you have the navigation map, and a lot of maps that you can use. So if you want to use any of them, you can easily add it here. For example, if I want to add Imagery, I can click on Imagery and this will update the base map layer. Once it is updated, it will be added. Yes, you can see that the word Imagery has been added as my base map. You can see it here. And if for any reason I want to change it or add another one, I'll come here and, for example, let's say I want to add this terrain with label. I'll click on terrain with label. It will update the base map layer. Yes, you can see that the world terrain reference base map has been added. And if you want to remove it, you can right click and remove. It will be removed. So to add a base map or remove a base map, just come to this base map and choose the one you want to add. It will be updated and added as your base map. Yes, you can see that the base map I selected has been added to my map. So in essence, this is how to change or add base map to your map in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.